So I hope this chapter you are getting this chapter. Everybody integration. Sabko, everybody is comfortable with this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Good. So let me know if you have any doubts from integration from this chapter. Okay, we can discuss. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
मैम इन प्रीवियस चैप्टर हमने एक्सरसाइज 12.8 तक ही कवर किया है ना
Just let me see. Yes, beta. Up to
ओके
12.8.
मैम
Okay, beta. So, see what we have done in integration till now in this chapter 13. Integration. So, we have seen what is the meaning of this fxy dA over the region R. dA means because you sometimes you will be dealing with polar coordinates also. So, that is why I have written dA. So, but for Cartesian coordinates, you will write dx dy or dy dx. Right. So, the meaning we already know. This is a volume. Okay. And then we have seen for rectangular regions how you will integrate. For rectangular regions you can just uh, change the order of integration without doing anything. So here first you are integrating with respect to x and then you are integrating with respect to y, or you can first integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. Okay, so this is for rectangular regions. And then for non-rectangular regions, yesterday we had discussed for non-rectangular regions. So we have seen two types of non-rectangular regions. One is you have y from g1x to g2x, y from g1x to g2x, and then you have x from a to b. Here you will integrate first with respect to y from g1x to g2x, and then you will integrate with respect to x from a to b. And if your region of integration is from x is equal to g1y to x is equal to g2y and y from c to d, then you will first integrate with respect to x and then with respect to y, x from g1y to g2y. Students, please be on time, beta. जो भी join कर रहे हैं. Y from C to D. Okay?
मैम
Yes.
मैम हमको ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमको मतलब किस केस में हमको पहले विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई करना है और पहले किस मतलब टू
That is what I am telling you, beta. So you are asking me that how do you know that with respect to y you have to integrate first or with respect to x? So I'm telling you if your region looks like this, that y from g1x to g2x and x is from some constant to another constant, then you have to integrate first with respect to y because the limits of y they contain x. Okay, and if your region looks like this, that x is from some curve g1y to g2y and y is between two lines, y is equal to c to y is equal to d, then you have to first integrate with respect to x. Okay, so that is in this, your answer is here, that if your region is of this form, then first you will integrate with respect to y, and if your region is of this form, then first you will integrate with respect to x. Okay, so yesterday we had concluded our lecture on this note that sometimes for non-rectangular regions also, it is important to change order of integration. Okay, what is the meaning? Meaning is that if you have something like this, you want to make it dx dy. So I will tell you today how to change the order of integration. So topic for today's lecture is changing the order of integration. Order of integration means dx dy to dy dx or vice versa. Okay, changing the order of integration, that is dx dy to dy dx or vice versa. Fine. So before going to this change of order, right, so let us see. I'll explain everything with a problem, right? So I have this question here. Find the integration of fxy equals to 4x plus 2 over a region R plotted in the following figure. So R is plotted here.
ये वाला तो नॉर्मल इंटीग्रेशन से नहीं हो जाएगा लाइक
No, but the question is find the integral of this function. This is a function of x only, but it is a function of y also, you will assume. But your integration is over a region R. It is
Okay,
not a
ma'am.
one integration. Okay, so you are
Okay, ma'am.
we are talking about fxy dA over the region R, where region R is here. Region R is here. This is your R. Is that thing clear to everybody?
जी मैम
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Question is clear that we have to find the integral of this function. This is a function 4x plus 2 over the region R, and this yellow is your region R. Fine. Now you see here nothing is given whether you have to integrate first with respect to x or first with respect to y, right? So somebody suppose wants to integrate first with respect to x. Okay, if you want to integrate first with respect to x, and then with respect to y. So the only thing is how to find the limits. How to find the limits. Beta, please dhyan se everybody pay attention because this is important and little bit tricky. So if you first want to integrate with respect to x, then you will always draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line passing through your region R. Passing through your region R. Okay, so you can draw that line anywhere in your region. Is that thing clear? I have just told you that if you first want to integrate with respect to x, then you will draw a horizontal line passing through your region R. So let me do that. I will replot the region, a bigger one. So we have something like this. This is a parabola. This is a line. Y is equal to 2x. And this is a parabola. Y is equal to x square. And I want to integrate first with respect to x. So I will draw a horizontal line passing through my region R. Okay. So this horizontal line will enter your region at some point and it will leave your region at some point. Okay. So I am writing
मैम हम लोग को कोई भी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बनानी मतलब
yes, anywhere you can draw a horizontal line anywhere. I will do that. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Any horizontal line. So you note the after this is your step 1. Step 1 is that you draw a horizontal line passing through your region R. Step 2 is note the entry point and the exit point. Right now you see here this is the entry point. What is the equation of this entry point? This entry point lies on this line. What is the equation? Y is equal to 2x. Clear? And this is the exit point. Exit point lies on the parabola. What is the equation? Y is equal to x square. Is that thing clear? So entry point is, in this case, entry point is, now because you are integrating first with respect to x, so you will write entry point in terms of x. So entry point is x is equal to y by 2. Y is equal to 2x is same as x is equal to y by 2. And exit point is x is equal to square root of y. Is that thing clear? This point
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
this point here is x is equal to square root of y. Why not negative? Because we know we are in first quadrant. And this point here is x
Ma'am?
is equal to y by 2. Beta, please, just a minute, let me complete. Is that thing clear that if your entry point, it is given y in terms of x, but we will integrate first with respect to x. That is why you will convert it into x. y is equal to 2x means x is equal to y by 2. And exit point is y is equal to x square. That is x is equal to square root of y. Okay, now yes, beta, what you were saying?
मैम आई वाज आस्किंग दैट कि हमने इसमें ये मतलब लेफ्ट टू राइट ही के मतलब लाइन
Yes,
को
yes.
ड्रॉ किया.
We will always draw a horizontal line like this from left to right. You will say where it is entering and where it is exiting. Okay, horizontal line, the orientation will be from left to right. This is convention. You can note here
मैम
from left to right. Yeah.
मैम और हमने ये ओनली फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट वहीं के बनाया ओनली फर्स्ट
Because
क्वाड्रेंट.
here region is in first quadrant. So this region is already given in the question, beta. Okay, it may be here also.
ओके मैम ओके मैम.
Here, it is given in the question. It can be anywhere. We'll do more problems. You will understand. So step 1 is you will make a horizontal line. Step 2 is you will note the entry point and the exit point, and then from here you got the limits of x. From here you get the limits of x, limits of integration with respect to x. Clear? And then you have to find the limits of integration with respect to y in step 3. To find the limit of integration with respect to y, it should be such that whole of the region is covered with the horizontal lines. Now you see, you will start from here. What is the value of y here? Tell me. Y here is 0.
0.
And what is the value of y here?
2.
Yeah, you can just see what is the point of intersection. Y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2x. Point of intersection is x square is equal to 2x. So x into x minus 2 equal to 0. So you'll get x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, and correspondingly y will be 0 and 4. So here y is 4, not 2, beta. Okay? Is that thing clear? So step 3 is limits of y are such that whole of the region is covered. So starting from the bottom, that is y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 4. Now, are you convinced that with these limits, whole of the region is covered? Because what you are doing here, you are saying start from x is equal to y by 2. It means that start from this line here and go till x is equal to root y. So you go till this parabola. So we have covered the horizontal part, and then you are saying y is from 0 to 4. So it means that you have covered from lower end to upper end. So whole of your region R is covered. Clear, beta?
Yes.
So your integral becomes, therefore, your question integral becomes 4x plus 2. This is your fxy. You see, this is your function 4x plus 2, whatever it is, right? Now, first you will integrate with respect to x, and the limits are written here. X from y by 2 to root y, and then you will integrate with respect to y, and the limits of y are from 0 to 4, right? So now you do it. So this will be, you have to integrate first with respect to x. So this is 4x square by 2 plus 2x, y by 2 to root y, and then you have to integrate with respect to y. Now you see, you put the values of x here and here. So you have 2, you put root y, so you'll get y, root y square will be y, minus y square by 4 plus 2 root y minus y by 2 dy. Clear? So this is, now you have to integrate with respect to y. So this will be integrate with respect to y. 2y square by 2 minus 1 by 2 y cube by 3 by 2 minus y square by 2, 0 to 4. So this is 4 square minus 1 by 6, 4 cube plus 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3 minus 16 by 2, right? So this is your answer. Is that okay, beta?
Yes,
मैम
So
जो
let me, yes, beta.
मैम जैसे जो y इक्वल टू 4x+2 है वो तो एक्स वाई एक प्लेन के मतलब एक ही प्लेन में है, एक्स वाई प्लेन में ये लाइन तो
No,
मैम
no, 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 beta. No, don't treat it as line. This is a plane actually. So you see, this is this for fxy is equal to 4x plus 2, right? So this is on this is not a line. If you draw it, you draw the line y is equal to 4x and then you extend it. That is a plane, right? Because we are in 3D now. This is a plane. This is not a line. Got it?
मैम पर fxy का तो मतलब यही हुआ ना कि y इक्वल टू 4x+2
No, but independent of x, y. It can be independent of y, right? It is something like this. Z is equal to 4x plus 2. What is this? This is minus 4x plus z is equal to 2. So this is a plane whose normal is having drs, dc's, yeah, drs minus 4, 0, 1. So this is plane. When you are in 3D, this is a plane even if y is missing. Yes, no? Got it, beta?
यस मैम तो मैम
मैम मेरे को भी एक पूछना है।
जो
Yeah,
उस
just
रीजन
let
से
me first student. Yeah, you ask what you were saying.
जो आर रीजन था मैम येलो वाला तो उससे जितने भी पॉइंट्स मतलब उस एरिया से जितने भी पॉइंट्स इस प्लेन के ऊपर आएंगे मतलब
No,
प्रोजेक्शंस
no,
होंगी
no, no, beta. See, you are. It means. Have you attended the last lecture? So you see,
मैम
this is region. This is your region R. This is your XY plane. This is your region R, and this fxy is somewhere here. This is your fxy is equal to 4x plus 2. Not exact. This is a plane, and with this integral, we are computing this volume. I told you already.
हाँ
Hello, ma'am.
yes ma'am I understand this it
Yes.
means we are finding the volume of this and the surface yellow mean जो yellow surface है वो उतना ही surface उसके ऊपर वाला होएगा
Yes.
plane का
Okay.
ये मतलब
Yeah. So plane and on the region R, you will draw a cylinder, not a right circular cylinder, but a kind of cylinder. And with this integral, we are computing the volume at that cylinder. Got it?
yes ma'am
Yeah. Okay. More doubt? Somebody was asking. Ask me, please.
मैम मेरे को पूछना था एग्जिट पॉइंट हमेशा अपर लिमिट होगा।
Yes. Yes, beta. You have to draw from left to right. Your entry point will be your lower limit, and exit point will be your upper limit.
ठीक
Okay.
है ओके।
Yeah. Okay, so now the same question we will repeat, and now I want to integrate first with respect to x, y, and then with respect to x. Okay, everybody got it? Till now we were first integrating with respect to x and then with respect to y. And this is, yes, beta.
Ma'am, while integrating, do we have to put the upper limit minus the lower limit in the variable itself, or we have to use the upper limit first in the entire expression and then subtract the lower limit?
It's one and the same thing, beta. I can do first put 4 everywhere, minus 0 everywhere, or in each term I can put the upper limit minus lower limit. You will get the same answer. Okay, it's your choice.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now the same question. Now I want to integrate first with respect to y and then with respect to x. Okay, so what I want to do, same question. Fxy is 4x plus 2. Again, the region of integration is same. This is the line y is equal to 2x, and this is the parabola y is equal to x square, and this is your region R. Okay, so I want to keep it empty. This is a straight line y is equal to 2x. This is a parabola y is equal to x square, and this is the region R. Okay, this yellow one. I want to first integrate with respect to y. So if you want to first integrate with respect to y, then step 1 is draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line. Okay, so you will draw from lower part to upper part like this. Okay, and then note the entry and the exit point. Entry and exit point, right? So here you see, this is your entry point. What is this point? Entry point here is
y
y
equal
is
to x.
x, right? So we need in terms of y. This will give you the limits of y.
Ma'am,
And then the exit point, yes?
it is y.
Sorry, y is equal to x square, not y is equal to 2x. Okay. So this is y is equal to x square. And then your exit point. Exit point is y is equal to 2x. Got it? Everybody? You will draw a vertical line and you will note the entry point and the exit point. So that will give you the limits of y. So here the entry point is y is equal to x square and exit point is y is equal to 2x. So these are your limits of integration. These are limits of integration with respect to y, right? And then in step 3, you will compute the limits of integration with respect to x. Limits of integration with respect to x. For that, what you will do? You will find these limits such that whole of the region is covered. Now you have drawn a vertical line. You want to cover whole of the region. So from where you will start? You will start from here. What is the value
0
of
to
x
2.
here?
0 to 2.
0 to 2.
And you have to go till here. What is the value of x here? That is
2.
2. So your limits of integration are x from 0 to x is equal to 2. Right? So it's the same integral you can compute like this. 4x plus 2. Now I want to integrate first with respect to y, and limits of y are from x squared to 2x, and then I want to integrate with respect to x, and the limits of x are from 0 to 2. Clear? Now you see, this is easier. You can see the calculations. Now if I integrate with respect to x, y first, so what I will get? I'll get 4xy plus 2y, right? From x squared to 2x dx, 0 to 2. So you'll get 4x into, in place of y, you'll put 2x minus x square, plus 2 in place of y, you'll put 2x minus x square dx. So can you see? Little bit easier as compared to the last calculation. This is 8x square. So integrate. So you'll get 8x cubed by 2, right? Minus, this is 4x cubed. So integrate, you'll get 4x 4 by 4 plus 4x, you'll get 4x square by 2 minus 2x square, you'll get 2x cubed by 3, 0 to 2, right? So you put, you'll get 8 into 8 by 2 minus 4 into 16 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 8, right? So this is your, you can do the calculations, right? So this is 32 minus 16 plus 8 minus 16 by 3. So this is your answer. Same answer, you can check the calculations. Is this thing clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now,
Ma'am,
yes.
मैम एज यू said that कि हम वो वर्टिकल लाइन मैम कि हम वो कहीं भी हम बना सकते हैं, तो मैम
Yes.
अगर हम वो वर्टिकल लाइन उन दोनों के पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन
No,
से
no, not at the point of intersection, obviously, right? Anywhere inside your region, not here and here. Okay.
Okay.
Anywhere inside your region, you will plot horizontal and vertical line. Okay. Is that thing clear?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये एंट्री पॉइंट और एग्जिट पॉइंट गिवन होते हैं ना?
Yeah, curves are given. From there, you will see the entry point and exit point, right?
ओके.
Okay. So I'll give you one question. Let us do. You will understand more. Students, please ask me if you have any doubts, okay, in between. So the question is, sketch the region of integration in the integral 0 to root x 3 by 2 e raised to power y by root x dy dx 1 to 4. Okay. And also write an equivalent integral by changing the order. Okay, so the question is sketch the region of integration in this integral. So you are given an integral, so you are asked that sketch this region of integration, and then here your integration is first with respect to y and then with respect to x. Then you have to write an integral which is integration first with respect to x and then with respect to y. Is the statement clear to everybody? Yes, beta. Question is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please scroll up a bit?
Yeah, sure, beta. Where?
Ma'am, बस यहीं पे.
So everybody is comfortable with the change, how to change the order of integration?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
guess आपने एक जगह एक चीज गलत लिख दी है.
Where, beta?
मैम ये आपने 8x cube by 2 लिखा है. I guess वो 3 होगा.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Sorry, yes, beta. It is 3. Okay. So it is 8 by 3. So this will be 64 by 3.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
So I can hear the voices of only 3 or 4 students, beta. I want everybody to participate at least sometimes. Other students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please. So can we go ahead, beta? Have you noted
ma'am.
down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's read the statement again. Sketch the region of integration in the integral. So this is the integral given to you, and we have to sketch the region of integration, and then we have to compute the equivalent. We have to find the equivalent integral by changing the order. Fine. So let us do this. So can you tell me what is the region of integration? So you'll just draw your xy plane. Here you are starting with x is equal. These are the limits of y or x. Tell me. You are first integrating.
Ma'am, y की है.
Why?
So you are going from y from 0 to y is equal to root x. So this is the line y equal to 0. This line here is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to root x is a, what is this?
Parabola.
Parabola, opening
This
of
is equal to y square basically, right? And positive y. So this is a parabola. Which parabola?
right.
Right parabola,
Right.
right? So actually this parabola, a lower portion also, but because we are saying y is equal to root x, this parabola has 2 branches, y is equal to root x and y is equal to minus root x. So this is y is equal to root x, and the lower portion is y is equal to minus root x, and we don't want this, right? Because we are just taking y is equal to root x. So is that thing clear? So it means that you will go from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to root x. Okay, and then x from 1 to 4. So x from 1 to 4, this is a line, x is equal to 1, and this is a line, x is equal to 4. So this is the region of integration. Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Anybody
ma'am.
having doubt in this plot, please let me know. You see, simply these are the limits of y. So you get y from 0 to y is equal to root x. So you get y from 0 to y is equal to root x means this parabola. And then x from 1 to 4. So x from 1 to 4. So this is the region of integration, right? Now the next part is that you have to change the order of integration. Next part is we have to change the order of integration. We need to change the order of integration. So can you tell me how you can do that? So it means first you have to do with respect to dx and then with respect to dy. So for that you have to make a horizontal line.
Horizontal line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see what is happening in this region? Here the entry point and exit point changes if you draw a horizontal line. You see, if I draw a horizontal line here, the entry point is what? X is equal to 1
X
and
equal to
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
x is equal to
Equal
4.
to 4.
And if I draw a horizontal line here, then the entry point is x is
Root
equal to y square, and
X
the
equal
exit
to 1.
point is x is equal to 4. Can you see? So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
means that
Yes, ma'am.
if you want to change the order of integration, then you have to break your integral into two parts. Okay, is that thing clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If you draw a horizontal line, then the entry and exit point is not same throughout the integral. So you have to break your region into two parts, R1 and R2. Okay, got it? This whole region is R2.
Can you explain this point again?
Yeah, beta. Let me tell you. So this is my region
मैम
of
उससे पहले एक मिनट एक चीज बता दीजिए बस मैम कि लाइक हमारा जो ये ग्राफ बनता है ये अकॉर्डिंग टू लिमिट्स बनता है ना
yes, according to this limits of integration.
ओके मैम थैंक यू
Now here we are integrating first with respect to y. That is why I'll get y from 0 to y is equal to root x. And then with respect to
Ma'am?
x, yes, beta.
ओके मैम
Ma'am,
थैंक यू
here you wrote that x is equal to y square, and then what is the use of this y is equal to root x and y is equal to minus root x?
I was just telling you that these are for this parabola there are two branches. One is this part and one is lower part. We don't need that lower part, no, because y is root x for us. Okay. Yeah. So let me explain that when you are changing the order of integration, you have to first integrate with respect to x and then with respect to y. So this is your region of integration, right? This part here, this part, right? Now, if I look for vertical line, horizontal lines, this is x is equal to 1, this is x is equal to 4. So if I draw a horizontal line here, what is the entry point? X is equal to 1. What is the exit point? X is equal to 4. If I draw a horizontal line here, what is the entry point? Tell
X
me.
equal to y.
Y square.
X is equal to y square. And what is the exit
X
point?
equal to 4.
X
Equal
4.
to 4.
to
So it
4
means that entry and exit point are different. So I can see that for this much region here, this green region, for this much region, let me draw like this. The entry and exit points remain same, right? And for this much region, the entry and exit point remains same. Got it? So what we will do, we'll write this integral over the region R, fxy, d.
Ma'am, will it be from 1 to root x and then root x to 4?
Sorry,
The integration.
what you are saying again, please? I didn't get your point, beta. Can you repeat? Okay, I think. Okay, so you see here, what you will do, you will break your integral over R1. I'm calling it as R1, and this is your R2. R1 fxy dA plus R2 fxy dA. Right? Now, what is my R1? R1 is a rectangular region where x is from 1 to 4 and y is from, sorry, we have to start from bottom, right? So this is whole is your R1, right? So x is from 1 to 4 and y is from 0 to, can you tell me what is y here? Anybody can tell me what is y here?
1.
1.
What is this line?
Y is equal to root
y
x.
equal to 1
Yeah, so basically this point you can
Root
see
x.
x is equal to 1. So this point is x is 1 and y is
1 comma 1
1, right? So this is y is equal to 1. So what you have to do, you have to integrate. Your function is 3 by 2 e raised to power y by root x dx dy. Y x is from 1 to 4 and y is from 0 to 1. Got it? For this region R1. And for R2, can you tell me limits, please? Everybody. So your entry point is y square. Exit point is 4. And your y will start from 1
1
till
to 2
here.
2 to 1.
Right? So y from 1 to 2.
2
2.
So do you get it? This is how you will change the order of integration. So let me write down again that this integral 0 to root x 1 to 4 3 by 2 e raised to power y by root x dy dx is equivalent to writing this integral, these two integrals 0 to 1, 1 to 4, 3 by 2 e raised to power y by root x dx dy plus 1 to 2 y square to 4 3 by 2 e raised power y by root x dx dy. So here you see changing just the order of integration needs lots of work. Okay, did you get it, students?
मिस
मैम
जीरो
एक
और
बार
वन
Yes,
प्लस
बता दीजिए, एक बार और बता दीजिएगा if you can.
0 and 1. Yes, beta, you see
मैम
y is from 0 to here. What is this line here? This is the point of intersection of this parabola y is equal to x square and the line x is equal to 1. Y is equal to x square and the line x is equal to 1. The point of intersection is x is 1, y is also 1. So this point is 1, 1. So this is a straight line passing through 1, 1. So what is the value of y here? 1. So you are starting from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. And x is 1 to 4 for R1. And for R2, you have drawn a horizontal line. So x is from y square to 4. Your entry point is y square, exit point is 4. So x is from y square to 4 and your region starts from here, that is y is equal to 1, ends here, that is y is equal to 2. Okay?
Ma'am, how did we take y square to 4?
You see, beta, I have drawn this horizontal line here. Can you see? I told you, if you want to find out the limits, you will draw a horizontal line. And then you will note the entry point. Entry point here is x is equal to y square. And the exit point. Exit point here is x is equal to 4. So that is why x is equal to y square to x is equal to 4.
मैम
Got
so
it?
मैम why did we draw two horizontal lines? Like ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
Why we need?
For two regions.
Yeah, you see, beta. You see.
Ma'am, same question.
Yeah, let me explain. Is in the question before this, we had a region like this. Okay? This was y is equal to 2x and this was y is equal to x square.
X square, yes ma'am.
And then in the next question, we have a region like this. This is your region, right?
Yes ma'am.
In this region, if you draw a horizontal line, anywhere you draw a horizontal line, what is your entry point? Everywhere your entry point is x is equal to y by 2. And your exit point is x is equal to root y. Everywhere. Can you see? Yes?
Yes ma'am.
And in this region, if you draw a horizontal line here, 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 what is your entry point? X is equal to 1. What is your exit point? X is equal to 4. But
Yes,
if I
ma'am.
draw a horizontal line here, what is my entry point? Entry point is x is equal to y square and exit point is x is equal to 4. So till this part and this part, they are behaving differently. That is why I have to break into, I have broken the region into two parts.
Okay ma'am.
Is that thing clear now?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You may have something like this. If your region is like this, suppose something like this. Somebody was asking, ma'am, how to deal with a general region yesterday. So if suppose your region is something like this. Okay. Let me draw like this. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, something like this. Right. So here what is happening? In this region here, this yellow part, entry point and exit point is same. In this region, entry and exit point is same. And in this region, entry and exit point is same. So you will break your integral into how many parts? 3 parts. Got it? Okay. So we will
Yes,
discuss
ma'am.
more questions tomorrow in the next week, next class. We'll discuss more problems. So you will understand it. There are so many problems in the
Angry.
tutorial. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yeah, sure. Where? Can you tell me?
Ma'am,
ma'am, यहीं पे.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Beta. So I'm done for the day. We'll continue from here only on Monday.
Ma'am, a little down.
Yeah, sure. Beta. So please do
Yes.
मैम एक बार
problem.
नीचे scroll कर दीजिए.
Yeah. From tutorial sheet also you have to do the problems so that you understand. It is very important that you practice these questions. Otherwise you will not understand. If you will not do with your own hands that what is happening.
Ma'am, can you please scroll up a bit?
Yeah.
The question where you broke it into parts.
Okay. So everybody please, because after that we'll be moving to polar coordinates. There it is little bit more difficult. So I want everybody to practice these problems so that you know everything from this Cartesian coordinates, so that we can easily move on to polar coordinates. So this is the last chapter from Thomas and Finney. After that we have only one chapter, not one chapter but one topic of complex analysis. Right.
मैम इसकी कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस करनी है इंटीग्रल के लिए?
Yeah, I will write down in that WhatsApp group. Let me tell you also. So we are right now 13.1 we have to do. Okay. 13.3 also. But I will write explicitly in the WhatsApp group, and I will send the pictures also for the questions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Because we have to do some portion of 9th chapter also. So I'll tell you exactly. But before that, now I will recommend just practice some questions from tutorial sheets. That's it. Okay?
Okay,
For
ma'am.
this- Okay. So next week I will tell you exactly that how you have to proceed. Okay. Thank you, students.
Thank
I'll
you,
see
ma'am.
you on
Thank you,
Monday.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Gagan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.